Hello everyone, I'm Al Davidson, owner of Strategic Sales and Marketing, and today I'm doing a brief demo of our technology lead generation program. The program uses proprietary end user contact lists and direct phone numbers, direct dial phone numbers to micro-target decision makers. And today I'm going to be walking you through the below lead generation workflow, and this will allow you to basically see how this program functions, how we develop the program, how we put it together. So in the below workflow diagram, there are 3 steps in the process that we use to generate qualified technology leads. In step 1 over here, what we're doing here is we're developing a customized proprietary contact list, and that starts with defining your target market. And so the list creation process is a little bit different than a traditional list development process, because we select companies who are using certain software and hardware solutions. And currently we have over 5,000 different technology products that we can choose from. So developing the list is based upon your particular custom criteria and the software and hardware end users that you want to target. In step 2, we create what we call a warm script, and this term refers to the creation of a sales dialogue that integrates the prospect's hardware and software profile into the script opening. And this allows us to create instant familiarity with the decision maker and build a relationship. For example, if we were using a contact list of Salesforce.com end users, the opening dialogue might sound something like this. Good morning, this is Al Davidson calling from CRM Consulting. We're a Salesforce.com solutions partner, and we provide Salesforce re-implementation and training services. So in that example that I just provided, the fact that we know in advance that the prospect being called is a Salesforce.com end user, it allows us to kind of instantly build familiarity in a relationship with the decision maker. The key qualification questions can then also be tailored based upon the fact that we know in advance that the prospect is using a particular software or hardware. So then in step 3, where we're now talking a little bit about deliverables, the sales leads developed from the program are typically in 3 different buckets: short-term, mid-range, and long-range. And the short-term leads can be set as phone appointments or scheduled demos. And the other leads are pipeline opportunities where there is a need or a pain or an issue that we have identified, and then a specific follow-up date is collected in database for future follow-up in that opportunity window. And then just one other side note I'd like to mention is that the program also features the use of direct dial numbers. And direct dial numbers are phone numbers that ring on the decision maker's desk or a cell phone. And this allows us to call decision makers on their direct phone lines and avoid dialing into companies' main switchboard numbers, where it's more likely to find gatekeepers and screeners. So if you're interested in targeting a specific type of software or hardware, and you'd like to see if we have this particular type of user, feel free to email or call us, and we'll be happy to run a list for you and give you an idea of how many of these end users we have in our database. So thanks again for your interest, and feel free to give us a call. Our number is right on the bottom here of the workflow document, and we look forward to hearing from you.